Premium A+ content can boost your sales by up to 20%. That's huge. And it's not just me saying this. Amazon themselves claim it. Let me show you. See, clearly written here. So why Premium A+ content is so special? What's in there? And how can you use it properly to increase your sales by up to 20%? Hi, this is Share Hirok from Ecomclips. Today we are going to break down the modules within the Premium A+ content and we'll try to understand how to utilize it properly to get the maximum out of it. So let's dive in. First of all, let's try to understand what you are going to get with Premium A+ content. Right now I'm in Seller Central. Go to the advertising, click A+ Content Manager. In the top right corner, click on the button. Here is the option for the Premium A+ content. By the way, to become eligible for Premium, you need at least 15 submission of basic A+ content within the last 12 months. Here is the basic and this is the Premium. If I click the basic, there are the modules you can add. Well, you cannot add a carousel here. There is no modules for video, etc. Only images and text. Another thing is the image ratio. In basic, you cannot add full-size images compared to the Premium. Well, let's see the Premium, what lies in there. Here you can see that there are 19 modules available, but you can only add 7. So pick your modules creatively so that you can demonstrate your products and your brand in very informative and engaging way. There are some effective modules, video modules, comparison tables, Premium hotspots, Q&A, etc. Mixing visuals like videos and hotspot with useful features like comparison tables and Q&A can really make your product stand out. Use these modules wisely to show off your product's best features and boost your sales, such as adding videos to your A+ content because videos can show your product in action. Explain its features clearly and engage customers better than just text and images. This is the module for adding video, Premium Full Video. Here you can add up to 4K resolution video and the minimum size is 960 to 540. Alright, if I show you from Amazon, I have some example to show you. Let me find the listing where a video is added. Got it. Adding a full video will look like this. Videos are always more engaging for shoppers compared to using images. By using videos, you can show off your product in a way that makes it easier for shopper to understand your product when they see it in action. Here you can see how this person is using the lotion on her body, showing how the product works in real life can really convince buyer for its value. Okay, put your headlines here and body text here. Add video. Here you can browse the file. Ratio already told you that. Video title here, description here. Alright, you got this. So make sure to use full video in your Premium A+ content. They will really help boost your sales and make your listing stand out. Or other video modules can be used. If I scroll down, here Premium Video Image Carousel, here you can add videos and image together. Let's see an example. You can show videos of the product in action and beside that you can describe features in the text here. Add videos and place text next to it. You can choose where the text appears. If you want the text on the left, click here, and if you want it on the right, click here. Maybe for the second panel, you go for the images and add text. It's up to you. Alright, here is the next type of module for adding video. This one, Premium Video with Text. This will appear in your listing like this one. But this one, Premium Full Video, is the most used. Okay, another module you must add in your Premium A+ content is comparison table. And you can see there are 3 types of comparison tables, but the most appealing one is the third option. Let me show you an example. Here on the screen, you can see it's a more stylish way to compare the main item with your others item. When you click the arrow button, another product slides onto the screen and its features show up. See? However, you can click the Learn More button here. If a shopper compares and likes another item instead of this one, they can click it and go directly to the product's listing page. Of all the comparison table, these two are mostly used. You can see here in the same example, they also added comparison table 1 as well. In the box, this is the main product, and beside that, the other product to compare with. Using a comparison table is important because it helps customers easily see the difference between your product. It lets them compare features, price, and benefits side by side, making the decision-making process simpler. This can lead to increased sales because customers can quickly find the product that best fits their needs. Premium Hotspot is the next one that you should use in your A+ content. Using the Premium Hotspot module in your Premium A+ content is important because it helps you highlight key features of your product directly on your images. Let me show you this. Here you can see the spots. If I hover over this, information appears. It could be features, key element. However, by adding hotspot, you can draw attention to specific details and explain their benefit clearly. It makes it easier for customer to understand what makes your product special without having to read a lot of text. It's a great way to make your product stand out and keep shoppers engaged. Plus, it can help answer questions right away and boost their confidence in making a purchase. Two types of hotspot are available. This one is with only an image, and in this one, you can add text such as a headline, a short description. You can use whichever you like, but make sure you use hotspot module. I have a couple of items open. All have an image carousel in their listing, and this module is a must-add module. You can see that there are three types of image carousel: navigation, regimen, and simple image carousel. If I show you in the example, this is the navigation carousel. Here you can see navigation tabs. When you click on this arrow, you can see the navigation tab has changes as well. You can use image carousel module to show multiple images of your product in a dynamic and engaging way. Image carousel lets you show off multiple images of your product in a dynamic and engaging way, instead of just one static image. The carousel allows customers to swipe through different photos, giving them a better view of your product from various angles. This is a regimen image carousel. You can click here to change the slide, as well as you can click on the arrow. It's a great way to grab attention and make your listing more appealing, which can lead to higher interest and more sales. And this is the simple image carousel you are seeing now. Alright, choose what type of image carousel best fit for your items. If I scroll down a bit, this is called Q&A modules. Here you can see that some questions are added, and as well as if you click the arrow, answers pop up now. Let me show you another example. This is, well, you can see that they added the Q&A section. All the top sellers use this segment. Adding a Q&A section is super important because it answers common questions shoppers have, which can help clear up any doubts. It shows that you are responsive and care about your customers' corners. Plus, it can save you time by reducing the number of repetitive questions you get. So definitely consider adding a Q&A section to boost your sales and keep your customers happy. This is the module. Here you write the question and below write the answer. You can add 5 questions max. Here you can change the color. Use it according to your theme color. However, to add question, think about what customer usually asks and start with those. Answering common question upfront can save you and your buyers a lot of time. Keep your answer short and sweet. No one wants to read long paragraph. Use the Q&A section to highlight the key features of your product. It's a great way to remind customer of its benefit. Make sure your answers are easy to understand and keep sure that your Q&A is up to date. Add video, use a comparison table, add a carousel, use a hotspot image, and include a Q&A module. These are the key modules you should add to your Premium A+ content. So there you have it. By using these powerful modules, you will make your product pages pop and keep your customers engaged. Don't just settle for the basic. Make your content stand out and boost your sales. Oh, another thing to show you. When you add images, you can see here the minimum image ratio. Maintain that. Your image quality matter. And this is the important thing, image keyword. This is your alt text. If I show you in an example, here are these green text. These are the alt text. Using alt text on images in your Amazon listing helps a lot. It helps with search engines, making it easier for your listing to show up in searches. Plus, it can improve your listing's accessibility and overall user experience. So don't skip adding alt text. It's a great way to improve your SEO. If you want to create Premium Plus content for your product, just let us know at info@ecomclips.com. I would like to show you some example that we prepared. So here can see this one, and this one. All of these look really great, isn't it? So with us, you will get top quality A+ content at the lowest price possible. A very rare combination. Well, I hope you understand all this. If you can use the Premium Plus content properly, then this can be a game changer for your Amazon listing. With features like videos, comparison table and Q&A section, you can give customer all the information they need to make a purchase. Also, it makes your brand look super professional. That pretty much wraps up. And if you find it helpful, subscribe our channel. We have a tons of e-commerce related informative videos to hone your business skills. You can visit our website www.ecomclips.com, which has a lots of cool things you want to check out to make sure you level up your e-commerce strategies in 2024. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies to level up your account. So check out all those resources and give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.